Alright, so what's up, DTF Anglers? Woo. I know it's been a while since I've recorded and made a video, but today I'm going out fishing. I'm going out fishing on my boat here. This boat I built this whole deck for. I built this boat and it was given to me by my buddy Imma.
Bro!
And you guys seen I've fished with him a couple of times already. And so it just didn't have a deck on it, so I decided to build a deck. So I'll just give you guys a quick run through here. Right here, trolling motor. I built this whole deck up here. Here's a hatch, there's a battery hatch, there's a foot pedal for a trolling motor, and here's just a platform where we stand, a seat, and a motor. I can go in more in depth about everything, but I mean that's really all it is. Here's a fuel tank, and it's a 14-foot Starcraft. So yeah, I hope to see you guys on the water. I'm here with my buddy Adam. So hope to see you guys on the water. I'm gonna get changed quick and let's get it. I would have a third-person camera today, but my third-person camera mount just broke, so kind of sucks to have to run first person today. All right, you can hop in first. Get in here. Well, we're gonna head to the spot, boys. Yep, we're gonna use this. All right, so we're planning to hit the shaded area first. That kind of like a shaded bank over there. Let me grab a jig here. Let's see what they like. Yeah, I was here with my girl, myself. It was back when I used to have my yaks.
Oh, you took the jig here with the yak?
Oh, yep. Yep. Oh, it's a big bass. That's a big one. Oh, that's a big bass. Oh, come here. Come here, buddy. That's a big bass. You want to favor that side? Yeah. Come here, buddy. Oh, frick. Heck yeah, dude.
Oh my gosh. 4 at least?
Yeah, at least 4. This guy.
Damn.
Heck yeah. Oh yeah, you guys, first bass of the day. This is at least a 4-pounder, y'all.
Dang.
You wanna hold him? Yeah, dude. Let me film you holding him. Yeah, hold him tight because he's gonna try to flop like that. Yeah, you guys. There you go, first bass of the day.
Crazy.
Having Adam hold it for me. Cause I mean, I don't want to hold it. I can't really show you guys.
Crazy bass.
There we go. That's a nice
Beautiful.
one. You can release him, bro. Let him go. Yeah, I'll favor this side for you. Oh yeah, that's sick, dude.
That was dope.
Yeah.
If I have to do that again.
Go ahead, bro. Yes. Yeah. There we go. Oh, yep. Oh, oh! Came off, boys. Came off. Oh,
Stay here.
yeah. Oh gosh. Yep, go right under that dock, man.
Got that beat.
Alright guys, I was not recording, but Adam got a fight. You let some line out. Yeah, you let some line out.
Don't let some line out.
Damn, if y'all would have heard that hood set, dude. He said whoosh. You could have the pliers. Yeah. So hold his head down. Keep forgetting about that. Damn. That's beautiful.
What is it?
Right there.
Oh,
Oh, shit. Oh, okay. I guess only 5. Ow. Careful with his sharp teeth, okay? Oh, freak. What are we doing? So you grab his head? Yeah. Alright guys, sorry, my batteries were dead. So I had to recap. But Adam caught a pike, as you guys saw. First fish of the day. He really wanted a bass though. Because nobody likes pikes. Unless they're really big pikes. Yeah. Yep, there's on. Nice. Bass. Nice guy? Eh, it's okay, guy. We won't flip. Let's not lose him. Oh yeah. Third hook set. Third hook set of the day. Here we go, boys. It's always nice. Nice bass. Let's let him go. Oh gosh. That's no bass. Yeah, nice little guy. Alright guys, so we're up on this side now. We're just hopping back and forth. We're just trying to find fish, which is totally okay. Fish's pockets right here. There we go.
Oh my god! You are legit.
Little guy. Awesome.
So, dude.
Awesome little bass.
Dope as frick.
Here we are, boys. Got him with both hooks. Look at that. Both hooks. Woo. This guy's so little, he fit this whole frog in his mouth, bruh. Goodness gracious. Yeah,
get back over here.
that's sick, dude. All right, what is that? 4th bass? Here we are. You want me back up? You want me back up? Oh, yeah.
Got me a nice little baby.
That was awesome. Little top water hit for the day. Ooh. Casters right there, dude. Casters right there. That looked like a little pike. You want to find out? Find out. Oh, we got pike. Yep, that's a pike. It's pretty okay size too. Oh no, never mind. Just kind of just pull some grass with it. Yeah, little guy, just like your guy.
I want that.
Yeah, you gotta be careful with my rod tip. Woo. Chill, buddy. We'll get you off. I thought that was a bug on my leg, like a big old what are those called? I forgot what those mean. Oh my gosh, that was scary. Alright guys, what's up? We're pretty much finished up, and I mean, we got what we got today. Some days you catch one, some days you catch two, some days you kill it, but it's whatever, I guess. You know, we did okay today. Adam caught one pike. This man's laughing in the background. He's laughing at my outro. You know, we did okay today. Yeah, I mean, hopefully we do better next time. hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Hopefully, you know, I can keep on uploading. You know, I won't be so lazy. Honestly, I am kind of lazy. But if you're lazy on YouTube, you're not gonna make it. So let's not be lazy. Let's keep going. Keep fishing, you guys. Tight lines. See you guys next time.